Hackride did live stream the other night. Basically, it's called Unboxing Eric the Actor. And it's basically a review of kind of like, I said like, why are you laughing? But really more like the bonus episodes we do. Where we break down like a segment or something. He's breaking down every Eric the Midget call through the history of the Stern Show. So they got through 3 hours the other night. So check that out. It's definitely... Even if you don't like all of Hackride's content, if the characters aren't for you or whatever, this is, if you're an old Stern fan, I highly recommend checking it out. Or if you just like Hackride, go check it out.
Go check it out because we said.
Yeah. If you trust my word at all, go check it out. And that's on Hackride's YouTube channel.